The vital role of conservation work. Hello and welcome everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting and crucial topic: conservation work. This is not just a term, but a significant movement towards preserving our natural world. Whether you're an English language learner or simply curious about conservation, you're in the right place to understand what conservation work truly means. Conservation work refers to the careful management and protection of natural resources and the environment. It involves a range of activities aimed at preserving the natural world, including its landscapes, wildlife, and biodiversity. Conservationists work hard to ensure that natural habitats are safeguarded from destruction and degradation. This work is essential for maintaining the health of our planet and the well-being of future generations. Conservation work is vital for numerous reasons. Firstly, it helps to protect biodiversity, ensuring that various species of plants, animals, and other organisms can survive and thrive. Secondly, conservation efforts play a crucial role in combating climate change by protecting forests and oceans, which are critical in absorbing greenhouse gases. Lastly, conservation work supports sustainable living by promoting the responsible use of natural resources, ensuring that they are available for future generations. There are many forms of conservation work, each playing a unique role in protecting our planet. Some examples include wildlife conservation, protecting endangered species from extinction and preserving their habitats; forest conservation, managing forests to prevent deforestation, promoting reforestation, and maintaining the balance of the ecosystem; water conservation, ensuring the sustainable use of water resources and protecting water bodies from pollution; soil conservation, implementing practices to prevent soil erosion and maintain soil health for agriculture and natural vegetation. You might be wondering how you can contribute to conservation work. It's not just for scientists or experts. Everyone can play a part. Simple actions like reducing waste, recycling, supporting conservation organizations, or even spreading awareness about environmental issues are great ways to start. Remember, every small action contributes to a larger impact. That wraps up our journey into understanding conservation work. It's a powerful field that not only protects our natural world but also ensures a sustainable future for all. We hope this video has shed light on the importance of conservation work and inspired you to think about how you can contribute to this noble cause. Thank you for watching, and remember, every step towards conservation is a step towards a better planet.